He's gonna play keep away now. Go play in the snow, Pippi.
She has a ball in her mouth still?
What's she gonna do that? She's gonna like, hello. My mouth is only so big. Snorkeler. There's a loves the water. Bathtub, doesn't matter. Sprinklers.
Any kind of water.
No matter. Oh, that was cool. She got airborne on that one.
I wonder if we could walk those.
Come on, Pippi.
Plants.
Come on.
Might be a little marshy up there, but that's true. Yeah. You want to walk over there?
Come on.
Wait a minute.
Okay. Getting tired, aren't you?
Like, hello. How do I get up?
Oh, you're too hot.
Too many hot dogs. Max, what are you doing?